How to view stock detail shop floor wise report in Businet. Users can view stock detail shop floor wise report by using filters such as branch wise, shop floor wise, lot and batch wise, etc. After selecting the desired search filter, users can view minimum stock level, opening stock, receipt, issued stock, WIP detail of items, along with its available stock with its value. They can also export the data in Excel format. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.